Hi Huskies, my name is Dulce. I'm one of the transfer mentors, and today I'm going to show you how to create a CASTE application account. To get started, go ahead and open a browser and type in caste.edu/apply. You will then scroll down and select the term you're applying for. In this case, it will be Fall 2021 term. Then click Apply. You will then click on Create an Account. Then continue to input all of your personal information, including your first and last name, your email address, and your preferred phone number. Make sure you use a reliable email because the universities will be contacting you to that specific email provided. If you would like to receive text messages or phone calls from CASTE Apply, make sure you read the terms of service and click on the box. This is not required. Then create a username and a password. Make sure that your password meets all the minimal requirements. Then read all the terms and conditions and click on the box that you agree of those terms. For data information, it will ask you if you are located in a European Union country. Go ahead and make the selection that applies to you. Then click on Create My Account. The first question is asking what degree or credential are you applying for. Given that you're applying as a transfer student, you will be selecting the first option, which is first bachelor's degree. So depending on your educational status, you will either select one of these three options. The first option, graduating high school, senior, or equivalent. Second option is transferring with an associate's degree for transfer, also known as the ADT. Or the third option is transferring from a community college or four-year institution. If you're receiving an ADT, an associate's degree for transfer, go ahead and select the second option. Here, you will be able to select the campus that you are attending, as well as the program that you are receiving your ADT in. This example shows a student from East Los Angeles College receiving an ADT in English. You will also be able to select if you're receiving a second ADT as well. Now, if you're not receiving an ADT, go ahead and select the third option, which is transferring from a community college or a foreign institution. Just make sure that you select the greater than or equal to 60 semester units. The second question is asking if you are applying as a returning student. This means that you have previously attended to another Cal State campus. Make sure you select whatever applies to you. The third question is, have you ever served in the U.S. military? The fourth question is your residing status, so just make sure you read the question and answer whichever applies to you. It will also ask you what state do you regard as your permanent home. So if you're living in California, go ahead and select California. Then click on Save Changes. Now in this section, you're going to be able to select the program and the universities you're interested in applying to. So you can actually start typing in your major in the search box. For instance, this example shows English. And all English majors or English programs will be listed here from all the 23 campuses that are offering English major for the fall 2021 term. So simply select the campuses that you're interested in applying to. For instance, the student selected Dominguez Hills as an English major. The green check means that you have added that program into the application. There's also a filter section if you want to filter out certain areas. You can filter out by name. You could also filter out by start term. For instance, the universities will be listed here, so you could go ahead and make that selection. We have selected Cal State LA here, and then as an English major, and then you'll go ahead and make that selection as well. If you want to filter out by delivery, this just means how the classes are going to be offered. There's three options. There's face-to-face, hybrid, which means half online, half in person, or online. If you filter through the source, you'll have the option of campus or extended education, and for the most part, you'll be selected campus. After adding your programs, just hit on continue, and then you will be able to review what campuses you have added. For instance, the student added Cal Poly Pomona, Dominguez Hills, and Cal State LA for English major. This page will also show you the total cost for the applications. However, after inputting all of your information and all the quadrants are completed, you'll be able to check if you qualify for fee waivers. Talk to a transfer mentor to help you find this information. Then click on Continue to My Application. Then you will be prompted to the main page, which will show you the 4 quadrants that you have to fill out. And congrats, you have created your Cal State application. If you have questions on how to fill out each quadrant, we have other YouTube videos, or you could also meet with the transfer mentor to help you assist with those questions. Thanks for watching.